I know this video is kind of late, but better late than never. I'm Razer Tech, and this is Tech Week. The most exciting news that has come out this week is from CES. Now, Razer has just released a laptop slash Razer phone mod. Now, this is a sort of a laptop, but it uses a Razer phone to power it up. It's amazing how Razer has actually implemented this, and I do feel like they can really, with the next iteration make it better if it's going to be compatible, because a lot of people think that it's not going to be compatible with the next gen Razer smartphone. But it's a cool concept, and I think that a lot of people might want to gravitate towards it if they've got a Razer phone but they don't have a laptop with them. But for a regular person that doesn't have a Razer phone, there's no need to get this actual mod to beef up your Razer smartphone. But if you're a gamer and you're a PC gamer, it's an added addition to a lot of the things that Razer is coming out with. And in other news, a smartphone company has just gave us an on-display fingerprint scanner. Now, I'll leave a link in the description to the article and some of the videos that are out there for this actual smartphone, and it really looks good, and it seems to work very well from the videos that I've seen at CES, and I'm really excited to see how other manufacturers are going to actually implement this and take this on. Now that the actual onboard fingerprint scanner has been announced and has been revealed and works pretty well, I think it's pretty robust, and it disappears when the phone is unlocked, and when the phone is locked you can see it so that you can unlock your smartphone. It's looking really good. I think it's really exciting, and that's one of the most exciting things that is coming out from CES, and I'll leave everything in the description. If I don't, you can really search it on Google or check out the other channels that are covering this stuff. I'm not there, as you may know, so I'm just covering what I see and feel is like worthy enough to put in a video. And also there are more self-driving cars, more AI capabilities. We've got that 8K 18-inch TV that, I failed to understand. Okay, there's LG displays and there's LG. Why did they separate them? Why is it that LG has to be LG displays, and why there's also LG? Isn't it the same company? They share the same name, only just the one has LG displays and the other is just LG. It's something I would like to be, is a question that I would like to be answered, because they are making OLED displays with LG technology. So in retrospect, you would think it's just LG, but it's not. It's LG displays, and they want to differentiate themselves from LG. So maybe because I understand that, because LG was not making the best OLED displays on a smartphone, that's why probably OLED displays or TV displays just want to differentiate themselves from the LG brand. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments down below. I would like to know that. And also, one of the most exciting news, and a lot of the things, there are more drones, there are more robots, so a lot of these things are just normal for CES. There's a lot to take in a month of weeks, and I can't take all of it in or put everything in a video, because you have to be at CES to really gather and enjoy what is actually happening. So what I've seen in YouTube videos is of a render of other people's content, of me showing you what they would like to see. Yes, there are a lot of smartphones that are also coming out at CES, and I'll do a dedicated video for you guys for those actual smartphones and what is interesting about those smartphones. But that's in a dedicated video. Anyway, this has been Razer Tech. Leave me your comments down in the comments down below, and tell me what you think about CES, what you like, what you don't like, what you find interesting. Leave it in the comments down below. Maybe I might do a video and shout you out. This has been Razer Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified of my videos. I'm Razer Tech, and this has been Tech Week.
me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.